30 days.
Credit score 100 points.
This is what I got the instant improvement on.
Here and give a testimonial about credit.
Behind me, homes being built.
Peace, family. Welcome back to the video with Credit Healing LLC. So today we're going to be discussing the IRS's crackdown of the PPP loans as well as the EIDL loans that were offered during COVID as well as a little bit afterwards due to them trying to help around 11.5 million small business owners who they did not want to fail because they want to keep the economy afloat. Now, around 1.2 of the trillion dollars of the federal debt that America currently facing, around 800 million of it were actually considered fraud. And so many people, when they, when it actually happened with them offering the funds, many people, they wanted their business to stay afloat. Others may not have had the best intentions as it relates to what they were going to do with the funds, but they were supposed to allocate it, pay employees, etc. And when you've done that, this is what is going to basically keep you out of the red or out of the IRS's radar. Now, many of you who are actually watching this video, you're wondering to yourself, well, yes, I received the funds and I didn't necessarily allocate the funds where I was supposed to allocate them, and now the IRS is actually after me. We want to help you with this. Okay, so that's what this video is about. So many of you who are actually trying to get out of this particular dilemma, what should you do? Okay, this is what you're going to take away from this video. For those of you who may not have done what you need to do, what we recommend that you do is contact a professional. Okay, contact a tax consultant, a professional, someone that can actually assist you with it, and we can also help you with this as well. But contact someone that you know and trust. Now, documentation is very important. If you do not have the documentation as relates to where you've allocated the funds, make sure to go back into your archives, go back into your records, and look at everything line by line. Okay, if you do not do this, you may face jail time. We don't want that to happen to you, but you also may face certain penalties. The IRS, they're actually cracking down on this at this very moment, and you don't want to be caught in this particular whirlwind. So what you should do is contact a professional, contact a tax consultant, and when you do this, make sure to give them an honest, documented, basically your archives. Okay, do this and do this immediately. Do not wait. Now, what we also recommend that you do is, for those of you who may have the funds available, make sure just to get ahead of it. Okay, get ahead of it and do this. Contact the company, regardless of or whoever gave you the funds, contact them and let them know that you would like to do a repayment plan. Okay, say, well, this is the funds, these are the funds that I have. I would like to basically do a repayment plan because I obviously I took out the funds and I was utilizing it as it was supposed to be utilized, but I met certain dilemmas during the process. So get ahead of it. The two things that you want to do is offer and do a repayment plan, but the second thing is definitely contact a professional that can assist you with this to make sure that you're not paying so much back in taxes, because obviously that's another thing that you'll have to deal with. So get ahead of it. Do not be afraid. Make sure that you're just honest with the person that you're dealing with, and then you'll be fine. All right, family. So if you have any questions, also if you need your credit healed, go to www.credithealing.org. And if you have any questions, you can also contact us at credithealing@gmail.com, or you can call us at 225-733-6429. Peace. Mail, when I send it off, I'm going to show you the receipt that comes with it, which is the fourth step. So bear with me, family, and stay tuned, and I'll show you exactly what to do.